Library science. Library science is an interdisciplinary or multidisciplinary field that applies the practices, perspectives, and tools of management, information technology, education, and other areas to libraries. The collection, organization, preservation, and dissemination of information resources, and the political economy of information. The first American School for Library Science was founded by Dewey at Columbia University in 1887. It is an aspect of the broader field of librarianship. Historically, library science has also included archival science. This includes how information resources are organized to serve the needs of select user group, how people interact with classification systems and technology, how information is acquired, evaluated, and applied by people in and outside of libraries, as well as cross-culturally, how people are trained and educated for careers in libraries, the ethics that guide library service and organization, the legal status of libraries and information resources, and the applied science of computer technology used in documentation and records management. There is no generally agreed upon distinction between the terms library science and librarianship, and library and information science, and to a certain extent they are interchangeable, perhaps differing most significantly in connotation. The term library and information science is most often used. Most librarians consider it as only a terminological variation intended to emphasize the scientific and technical foundations of the subject and its relationship with information science. Library and information science should not be confused with information theory, the mathematical study of the concept of information. Library and information science can also be seen as an integration of the two fields, library science and information science, which were separate at one point. Library philosophy has been contrasted with library science as the study of the aims and justifications of librarianship, as opposed to the development and refinement of techniques. Read about education and training, employment outlook and opportunities, gender and library science in the US, diversity in librarianship, statistics, strategies, scholarships, grants, cultural competencies, recruitment resources, the deaf community and library science, deaf libraries, theory and practice of library science, types of libraries, public library, school media specialist, archives, special library, preservation. Further reading. Read all about library science. Library science.